Did you know that 1.2 trillion photos were taken in 2020 alone? That's a staggering number, isn't it? In this digital age, photography has become an integral part of our lives, with a significant percentage of these photos captured through the lens of digital cameras. Choosing the right camera is paramount in this pursuit of capturing moments. After all, it's not just about taking photos but making memories. When it comes to capturing those perfect moments, the camera you choose can make all the difference. Today we delve into the world of the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless camera. The Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless camera is a piece of technology that has been making waves in the photography world. This compact piece of technology is a marvel, packed with features that make it a standout in the mirrorless camera market. At its heart is a 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, delivering crisp, detailed images that will impress even the most discerning of photographers. Adding to its prowess, the camera features 5-axis in-body image stabilization, ensuring your shots are always steady, even in the most challenging of conditions. The X-T5 doesn't stop at still images though. It boasts 4K video recording capabilities, allowing you to capture vibrant, high-quality videos with the same device. Despite these high-end features, the camera remains compact and portable. Its design allows for high-quality imaging in a small package, making it an excellent choice for those who value mobility in their gear. But how does it compare to other cameras in its class? When stacked against its competitors, the Fujifilm X-T5 holds its own. Let's consider some of the industry giants, such as the Sony A7 III and the Nikon Z6. The Sony A7 III, renowned for its exceptional image quality and impressive low-light performance, is a formidable opponent. Yet the Fujifilm X-T5 holds the edge with its superior color reproduction. Fujifilm's unique film simulation modes lend a distinct and vibrant character to images that the Sony A7 III can't quite match. Now the Nikon Z6, praised for its robust build and seamless functionality, is another competitor to reckon with. But the X-T5 steals the spotlight with its compact design and lighter weight. This makes it a more convenient choice for photographers on the go, without compromising on the durability. When it comes to autofocus performance, the X-T5 competes fiercely. Its fast and accurate autofocus system, combined with face and eye detection features, offers a level of precision that both the Sony A7 III and Nikon Z6 strive to match. Of course, each of these cameras has its strengths and weaknesses, depending on the user's needs and preferences. Yet, the Fujifilm X-T5 stands out for its combination of portability, image quality, and ease of use. The Fujifilm X-T5 certainly brings a lot to the table, but no camera is without its downsides. While the Fujifilm X-T5 has many great features, it's important to consider its shortcomings as well. On the pro side, this camera impresses with its stellar image quality, capturing rich and vibrant photographs that will surely turn heads. The controls are intuitive, making it a breeze for users to navigate through its settings. Plus, it boasts a solid build that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. However, every rose has its thorn. The Fujifilm X-T5 comes with a relatively high price tag, which might be a setback for those on a tight budget. Additionally, the lack of continuous autofocus during video recording can be a significant downside for videographers. Despite its few shortcomings, the Fujifilm X-T5 is a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned photographers alike. In the end, the Fujifilm X-T5 proves itself to be a strong contender in the world of mirrorless cameras. Its versatile features make it a worthwhile investment for both novice and professional photographers. Are you ready to take your photography to the next level? Don't forget to subscribe to McTech Addicts for more in-depth tech reviews and insights. Until next time, happy shooting!